how many destroyed and how many? How are you going?
And his officials to our community. Sir, your presence, any building that completely damaged will arrange for the...
I know I thank the Advisory Council for getting you all here together this morning. Makes it easy for the DISMAC team to distribute the items we bring for relief work. I know the rations have been distributed. We're just visiting some areas and we're bringing additional items such as more tents, more tarpaulins, some water, some washing stuff for the ladies, solar lights. In addition to that, I have Mr. Vinod Kumar. He's from Sydney, and they've been doing a lot of fundraising in Australia, especially Sydney. And he's brought with him also some items to be delivered, and he's got his truck out there. And we will be delivering most of the stuff to this area from here, right down to Mba. We will, in the next couple of weeks, we will come out with some ideas of how we're going to replace the homes that were destroyed or partly destroyed. We've also got some package for the farmers. We've already announced those packages to the farmers. Early third payment, and of course the loan available. But whatever you have, whatever you need, please don't hesitate to inform your Advisory Council. Thank you, Advisory Council, and through her to the Commissioner and his staff, the DISMAC team. But I'm available for a couple of minutes this morning before I leave. If there's anything that anyone proposes for me to take back to DISMAC and for government to discuss in the next couple of weeks, I'm available to hear from everyone here, especially ladies. If you have any suggestion, for me to take to the DISMAC team,
relocate them to Suba.
I will be available to take all those suggestions back to Suba.
Tea bag, biscuits, milk, food down, noodles, milk. And this rice, I don't know whether they're going to like it or not. This is first class, basmati rice.
Very good. Well, these are top quality people here.
Oh, yeah. Make it even better.
Thank you very much.
Make it even better.
This is the top quality food for the top quality people.
Right, so I'll give about